California's average home insurance rate is 17% lower than the national average. A sweet deal, right? But are you getting enough coverage? Here's the thing, cheap home insurance in California might not be what it seems. Some policies can leave you with major gaps in your coverage, leaving your home vulnerable in the face of unexpected events, like wildfires, earthquakes, or even liability claims. But don't worry, in this video, we're going to reveal the real story behind California's so-called cheap home insurance options. We'll explore what some of these budget policies do and don't include, plus the pitfalls to watch out for when it comes to keeping your biggest investment safe. So if you're ready to find out how secure your homeowner's insurance that actually protects your home without busting your budget, stay tuned. And when you're ready to take that next step, head over to FreeAdvice.com. There you can compare insurance quotes, see what fits your needs, and make sure you're truly getting the right coverage for your California home. Now, stick around to discover the smartest ways to avoid costly mistakes on your California home insurance. Let's kick things off by exploring some interesting facts about California. The California home insurance market might look appealing at first glance, but there's more to the numbers. California has an average home insurance rate of about $1,300 annually. Given the state's high housing costs, where the median home ranges in price from $750,000, that might sound like a great deal, but in reality, that lower rate often comes at the cost of limited coverage. California's largest home insurance provider, State Farm, has a staggering $2.7 billion in direct premiums written annually in California alone. Yet homeowners in the Golden State still face devastating insurance deficits. So to make sure your coverage fits both your budget and the reality of California's risks, take a few minutes to compare providers at FreeAdvice.com. Simply enter your zip code, answer a few questions, then use our free quote tool to give you a list of quotes from top providers to compare. It's the easiest way to analyze your options side by side and ensure your home is protected without facing unexpected costs later. Speaking of unexpected costs, there's something important you should know. California residents recently faced a shocking $9.6 billion in home insurance losses, which shows that there's a serious insurance coverage deficit across the state. California's unique risks include wildfires, earthquakes, floods, mean that standard policies don't provide the level of protection that homeowners need. If a policy looks affordable, it probably doesn't cover the all too common high stakes hazards. Unfortunately, many homeowners don't realize this until they're left paying tens of thousands of out-of-pocket after a disaster. These hidden coverage gaps are the major reason for steep losses in California homeowners that experience. And in a state where home prices are already high, these extra costs are financially devastating. This is why it's so crucial to look beyond the base policy and consider full coverage and what that will truly protect you. To find a policy that has you covered when you most need it, visit FreeAdvice.com. With our free quote tool, you can quickly compare policies to find the lowest rates. Just enter your zip code, answer a few questions, and in minutes you'll have options from top insurers that address California-specific risks. It's a smart, easy way to ensure your home is covered without costly surprises down the line. But how can you really make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck when it comes to California home insurance? Well, first, you need to know how to get California home insurance, how to get the rates and the coverage that you need. Before buying a home in California, determine what type of policy you need. Is it a single family home? A rental property, a manufactured home? Standard home insurance in California typically covers 5 key areas. Dwelling coverage that protects your home structure, covering repair or rebuilding costs. Attached structures coverage, extending to buildings on your property, like sheds, guest houses. Personal property coverage that secures items inside your home, such as furniture and electronics, while personal liability covers you financially if someone is injured on your property. Lastly, additional living expenses cover temporary living costs if your home becomes uninhabitable. To ensure you're getting the right coverage at a fair price, explore your options at FreeAdvice.com. Our free quote tool makes shopping a breeze. Simply enter your zip code, answer a few questions, and you'll be comparing quotes from the top insurance providers in minutes. Don't wait until disaster strikes. Get protected with FreeAdvice.com to better help you make the best decision for your home. Let's also look at California's average homeowner's insurance rates. California home insurance rates might surprise you. Despite high home prices, premiums haven't spiked the way that you might expect. According to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, California's rates have been climbing at a slow, steady pace, staying well below the national average. Take a look at these numbers. The national average for home insurance hovers around $1,600 a year, while California sits comfortably at $1,400. That's a cool $200 saved annually. That could be an extra towards your mortgage payment or a well-deserved vacation. Sure, California might be slightly more expensive than neighboring states like Nevada or Arizona, but the difference is minimal. The key takeaway: don't be discouraged by California's high housing costs, because affordable home insurance is definitely within reach. But remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. Head to FreeAdvice.com, where you can compare customized quotes and find the right coverage that meets your unique needs at the lowest price possible. Just plug in your zip code, answer a few questions. It only takes a few clicks and you'll be on your way to secure your California dream home today. But hold on, if you're looking to add even more protection for your home, there's an option for that too. Let's discuss additional coverage options available in California. Earthquakes, landslides are a huge risk in California. And guess what? Standard policies leave you high and dry after these earth-shattering events. That's why earthquake insurance is a must in Cali. It's an add-on that helps pay for repairs or replaces your home after a quake. The California Earthquake Authority is the state's leading player for earthquake insurance. Wildfires, unfortunately, are also an ever-present risk to California homeowners. Generally, fire and casualty damages are included in standard policies. However, you might see higher premiums due to the increasing risk, so it's something to remember when choosing your policy. Flooding, on the other hand, isn't as much of a concern across California, at least for now. Policies are available through the National Flood Insurance Program managed by FEMA. Not sure what you need? Get expert advice and free personalized quotes from the best providers where you live at FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code in our free quote tool, reply to a few quick prompts, and in mere moments, you'll have clear comparison of your best choices. Now, we've covered a lot, but we're not done yet. What about add-ons, endorsements, riders available in California? Let's dive into those options. Endorsements and riders are terms used to describe modifications to your current policy. They cover specific risks not included in the basic coverage. In California, the need for these add-ons depends on your unique weather patterns and geographical factors that vary across the state. Some common add-ons include earthquake or land movement coverage, which cover damage caused by earthquakes or land shifts. Sewer and water backup is another important endorsement, covering issues caused by sewer backups. There's also equipment breakdown coverage, which extends to large appliances or the HVAC system, ensuring you're not left footing the bill for unexpected repairs or replacements. Inflation guard and guaranteed replacement costs are also available to ensure that your home will be replaced at its full value, even if the coverage amount falls short due to inflation. And that's not all. There are more options to consider at FreeAdvice.com. Use our free tool to compare the most competitive insurance quotes today. You simply enter your zip code in our free quote generator, and in minutes, you'll get a list of quotes to help you find the perfect balance between coverage and affordability for your California dream home. And guess what? We're not done. With possible add-on coverages you may want and need. If you run a home-based business in California, there's a coverage that you need to check out. There's what we call home business protection, which covers the equipment and property used in your business. For those with watercraft, you can also add on coverage for small boats to your homeowner's policy. Plus, with the growing concern over identity theft, some policies allow you to add protection against loss from identity theft. California residents may also need extra coverage for secondary residence or high-value items like jewelry, firearms, fine arts, with specific riders or floaters designed to protect these valuables. If you're into exotic pets, while California has strict laws about them, some insurers offer add-ons that cover the risks associated with owning exotic animals. These add-ons make a big difference when it comes to making sure you're adequately covered. To get the best deal on coverage for your home, make a beeline to FreeAdvice.com today and compare personalized quotes. Just enter your zip code in our free quote comparison tool, and within minutes, you'll be able to compare your insurance options and find the coverage you need. To make sure you're clear on what coverage you actually need, let's go over the exclusions in California homeowners insurance. As a California resident, it's crucial you know that what isn't covered by a standard policy. Common California home insurance exclusions include earthquake, flood, mold, earth movement, and wear and tear damage. While earthquake insurance is offered for an additional cost, in fact, insurers are required by law to provide it, so ask your provider about the possible endorsements. These endorsements can be crucial when it comes to covering unexpected losses. Some of the typical exclusions you'll find in California home insurance policies include ordinance or law, which covers the cost to bring your home up to code after damage, earth movement, which includes earthquakes, sinkholes, and landslides, and water damage, which covers floods, sewer backups, plus policies may exclude damages resulting from neglect. So here's the key. Always look into the available endorsements and compare policies at FreeAdvice.com. To get a list of customized quotes, just enter your zip code in our free tool. With just a few clicks, you'll have multiple options to choose from. And to make it easier for you to decide which one is the best, here are the top 10 home insurance companies in California based on J.D. Power ratings. This should give you a good starting point for your research. When choosing a home insurance in California, you should check out what actual policyholders have to say. J.D. Power's ratings are broken down into two main categories: total points awarded on a 1,000-point scale, and the Power Circle ratings, which focus on customer service. 5 circles are awarded to companies that are among the best. 4 circles mean the company is better than average. Companies with 3 circles are considered average. 2 circles reflect below average service. State Farm takes the gold medal with 831 points and 4 out of 5 rating for claim satisfaction. Allstate follows closely behind with 825 points. USAA scores a mind-blowing 890 points and 5 out of 5 rating, but their insurance is only available to military families. Remember, these are national ratings, so to see how these companies stack up in your zip code, get free customized quotes in minutes at FreeAdvice.com. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot today in this video, including some of the key factors to look out for when shopping for home insurance in the state of California. We highlighted the exclusions you likely face from earthquake coverage to water damage, and how endorsements can help you protect your home in these scenarios. We also shared the top-rated home insurance companies in California based on J.D. Power's customer satisfaction rankings, giving you an idea of which providers truly stand out when it comes to service. If you're now ready to find the best rates for your home insurance, head straight to FreeAdvice.com. There you can easily compare quotes, review options, get a better deal, all in just a few clicks. It's the quickest way to make sure you're getting the coverage you need at the price you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, give us a thumbs up, help others find this valuable information, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights into the best insurance options in your state. By subscribing, you'll join a community of people committed to making smarter, more informed decisions about their insurance. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below. Have you experienced home insurance challenges? Do you have tips to share with others? Your insights could help someone avoid paying thousands of out-of-pocket money this year. Imagine how good you'll feel knowing you helped someone secure their dream home. And while you're on our channel, you should check out our video about handling tricky situations like evicting a family member or a friend from your property. You'll find out exactly when it's time to get a lawyer involved. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. It's important you know your rights as a homeowner and policyholder. Finally, if you know anyone shopping for home insurance or who might not be aware of the exclusions, share this video with them so they can get the best rates and avoid major coverage gaps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.